Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Enhance Your Knowledge. Today we are going to understand the concept of conditional sentences. As you know that conditional sentences are sometimes confusing, especially for the learners of English as a second language. In this video we'll discuss it in detail and try to understand different types of conditional sentences and to make the difference between them. Well, when we talk about its structure, then we come to know that a conditional sentence is composed of two parts. The first part is if clause and the second part is main clause. If clause can also be known as dependent clause, or main clause is also known as independent clause. If clause is the part that expresses the condition. Condition can be real or unreal or imaginary as well, as it is introduced by the word if, so it is commonly known as if clause. And the part that expresses the consequences, it is known as main clause. For example, in this sentence, if you work hard you will succeed. The first part of this sentence is if you work hard. It is the dependent clause, or you can say conditional clause or if clause. You will succeed, it is the result or it is the consequence of the condition, so it is the main clause. Always keep in mind that conditional or if clause is used to express that the action in the main clause can only take place if a certain condition is fulfilled. As in this sentence, if you work hard you will succeed, your success relies on your hard work. Is that clear? So conditional tense says that an action is reliant on something else, as your success relies on your hard work. Sometimes a question arises into mind that how to write if clause, either at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. So it is very necessary to make it clear over here. The conditional clauses tend to come at the beginning of complex sentences, but they may also come at the end. As in this sentence, conditional sentence is at the beginning. If you work hard, the sentence starts with if. So we use a comma after the if clause or dependent clause. When if clause precedes the main clause, in that case we'll use comma, otherwise we'll eliminate it. Like if we change this sentence, you will succeed if you work hard. In this situation we'll not use comma after the main clause. Is that clear? Let's have a look at the types of conditional sentences. Basically there are 4 types of conditional sentences, and they are classified according to their specific implication. Each type of conditional sentences uses different tenses to show the difference in their implication. So the 4 types are zero conditional, first type of conditional, second type, third type. It's over here. In the coming video we'll discuss the types of conditional sentences one by one. Share it with your friends. Keep watching.